They'll put waves on the tracks.
Golly, boy, pull up on me. Pull up on me. We putting in the lights, like going inside there, like. The right anything can be done, right? So these go inside the headlight. And this is the controller. Those are the rings. Like these are the rings. Somebody started opening this and was like, hell no. That's the instructions, don't throw them away. And these are rings. So
this is a lifelong asset. If I could spend $250 today and get paid the rest of my life off of it, that's an easy one. If I could spend $5,000 today and get paid for the rest of my life off that one time,
right,
I won, right? So for the fans, it's like, this shit is forever and it's a W because I'm only getting bigger. If my catalog is generating 16,000 a month now, and I'm at where I'm at, it's like Drake got 300 million followers.
I don't know, bro. The ring light is coming on, but the doggone this light ain't coming on. It's like that in both of them.
Mama just hung her head and said, son.